I'm a SolidWorks designer and I reuse optimized components from our company catalog in my design. Right now, I'm working on the second edition of this land mower. For this version, I need a new net. Thanks to the power of the 3D similarity, I can easily find through PartSupply, accessible directly from SolidWorks, all the similar parts in the in-house catalog content. I can compare these parts on different information like the bounding box or their description. Then I can access the 360 view of the part and decide if it's the right part to use. I can navigate through the parts of the selected providers working with our company. I can review the part in 3D, access its sketches and photos. I can browse through all the specification and configurations of this part, view its similar parts, engineering information, including its detailed documentation, and some data on its provider. I can also compare the components and analyze their detailed information to decide which part best fit my need. If I can't find a part in our internal or external catalog, I can search through the content of PartSupply community. For example, let's study this net from both our components. According to its information, I decided that this part will be great for the new version of the land mower. So I make a request to the catalog manager to access through this provider content in order to reuse this part. Now the catalog manager on the left has received my request and is reviewing this part. He accepts to introduce this supplier and the specific configuration into the external catalog. If I come back in my design and I select my external catalog, I can now reuse the configuration requested in my design. I can open it, insert it, or replace it. So here, I'm choosing to replace the existing net with this one from Bossard. So now you can see that my design is updated with the net of PartSupply.